Hello! Today we're going to be making the Bits and Bobs Baum. Baum, of course, being the German word for tree. Let's get started by opening up our craft kit.
Inside your kit, you should have green cardstock, some string, 2 stars, and plenty of fun bits and bobs. For this craft, you'll also need scissors and glue. I'm using hot glue, but you can use Elmer's glue or a glue stick. To get started, we'll grab our cardstock and scissors and cut a tall triangle. If you'd rather have something a little more tree-shaped, you can cut into your triangle like this, but it's a little tricky, so I recommend trying on white paper first. Next, you're going to take the 2 loose ends of your string and match them up. Grab one of your stars and place a dot of glue on one side. Place the 2 loose ends on the star, side by side. Take your tree, add a bit of glue to the tip top, and attach your star string side down. Flip your tree around, place another bit of glue at the top, and place the second star, sandwiching the string and the paper in the middle. Looking good already. And now, the best part. Take your bits and bobs one by one and place them on the tree. Use as few or as many as you like. Stop whenever you think your masterpiece is complete.
Once you're done decorating your beautiful Baum, put it on display and enjoy your unique work of art. I'll see you again next week for another awesome ornament, but until then, cheers!